Receiving money on Remitly is a straightforward process that allows you to access funds sent from abroad. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your money easily. Step 1. Create an account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Choose your delivery method. Once your account is set up, select how you want to receive the money. Options may include bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money, depending on your location and the sender's choice. Step 3. Provide necessary information. If you choose bank deposit, enter your bank account details. For cash pickup, find a nearby location where you can collect the funds. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Notify the sender. Inform the person sending you money that you are set up to receive funds through Remitly. They will need to select your preferred delivery method when sending the money. Step 5. Track your transfer. Use the Remitly app or website to track the status of your transfer. You will receive notifications once the money is sent and when it is available for you to collect or access. In conclusion, receiving money through Remitly is simple and efficient. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transaction and access your funds without hassle.